Hey everybody, somebody asked for an unboxing of the new American Idiot box set, so I thought I'd go one further and just show you the boxes that I've got so far. They're all amazing. I recommend you guys get them. First is the Dookie box. I just got the black vinyl. There is a multicolor vinyl out there, but it was a bit more expensive, so I just got this one. Plus I like just the black vinyl. Usually it plays better than some of the color vinyl, and I do play the records as well. I don't know if everybody does, but I do. So I'll try to do this all one-handed. Pretty cool, you know, reflective box. Got the Dookie on the outside, but comes with some poop bags. It's pretty funny. Haven't used them. Comes with an air freshener, I'm guessing for all the Dookie. Comes with a badge set. Pretty cool. Comes with the bumper sticker, the old school logo. Comes with a Welcome to Paradise postcard. Comes with this is a magnetic sheet, I believe. It'll kind of pop out of there to make magnets you can put on stuff. A plane that you can assemble. Dookie dog. Coloring sheet. I have not colored mine yet. It's you know, the album cover. It's pretty cool. And it comes with a big, huge logo poster, which is pretty sweet. Let's see if I can get this open to show you. Back it up. It's a pretty cool poster. And it comes with a sweet book that goes through some history, photographs, the making of the album. It's got some pretty cool stuff in it. Stories, some old liner cards. That's a unfortunate photo. Making of Dookie. It's a big old article with the cover again. Pretty sweet book. This is the kind of stuff that I dig. The history and the photographs, that kind of stuff. I'm an old fuck, so kind of like this kind of stuff. Anyway, that's the box, and then it comes with the vinyls. One of my favorite ones of the series is the Dookie outtakes. It's some songs that you don't see on all the other albums. Woodstock, 1994. They've got a record store day version of this that goes for almost $80. It's about the 3/4 of the cost of the box set. So I'd say if you want this one, go for the box. It's got original demos. I love the graphics on these. Can't get it out of the box. And then the original album as well, I believe. And Live in Barcelona. That's a 2-disc set there. So that's the Dookie box. That's pretty sweet. Listen to all of them, and there's some good stuff on here. Really good live shows. Like I say, the outtakes are probably my favorite. I believe the Nimrod set also has some outtakes or demos on them. We'll get to that one next. Put this stuff back in here. Can't forget the poop bags. So that's the Dookie box set. One drawback to this is this aluminum thing gets fingerprints all over it. It's the back of it. Basically shows everything that's in it. Very cool. I got the Nimrod box. Nimrod box just folds open like a clamshell. Comes with a slip mat, Nimrod slip mat. All access pass. A little expired, but shit, that would be cool, huh? Patch. Another poster. I believe this is a band poster. cutie, huh? Mike with some tape on his face. They're all taped up. Pretty cool. This one comes with a book as well. It goes through the making of and all that kind of stuff as well. It's pretty much the same theme throughout the boxes. It's got some lyric sheets. Pretty cool graphics on this one. Probably one of my more favorite albums. My favorites are probably Warning and Nimrod. But yeah, pretty cool book. And as well, then it's got the original album on a 2-disc set, demos, and Live at the Electric Factory. Pretty sweet set as well. They've got a silver vinyl version as well, but this is just the black vinyl on these. I stuck the descriptor inside this one. Shows everything that's in it. Be careful with these edges, trying to get it closed back up. And then the new one, American Idiot, 20th anniversary. This is the numbered version from the Green Day shop. Really excited about the videos in this one. So that's the front. There's the back. Shows everything that's in it. And the numbering. Number 731. There's a bunch of you out there that got it. Got the iconic tie, a flag that I'm not going to open. You can see it on the website. Just go to the website, Green Day store, and they've still got these in stock. Last I checked, the one thing that was out of stock was the dual vinyl color version of the new release, the 20-year release, which I got as well. But that's supposed to come today, but it did not. Oop, poster is upside down. It's the exclusive poster that comes with the shop version. Make sure I fold this up right. It comes with a book as well. It's a pretty sweet book. It's a little better cardstock than the other two. Same thing, pretty sweet photo. A lot of photos in this one. The American Idiot guy. Good tricks, some lyric sheets. Pretty sweet. And in the back of this one, there's some more lyric sheets. I dig that stuff. The original songwriting is pretty cool. Some live shots. And then the videos are in the back. This one has 20 years of American Idiot and a live show at the BBC. And then this one is Heart Like a Hand Grenade. It's pretty cool that they slide right in the back of the book. And you got the 20th version. I believe these have some color to them. Yep. So, how about a red vinyl? The other version is like a splatter vinyl. It's got the new release of the album. These are all colored vinyl as well, I believe. You got the B-sides and bonus tracks. The track listing there. Some demos. I like the graphics on these as well. And it's like live at Irving Plaza. I haven't listened to any of these yet, so I can't tell you how good they are, but yeah, so that's the 3 sets. Highly recommend you getting them. So much other good vinyl, but yeah, very cool. Hope you enjoy.